Babasaheb Ambedkar. You showed us the path to the unity, raising your voice for liberty towards educating untouchabilities to humans. Educate, organize, and agitate your message to the masses of the equals. Even today, as you left behind the legacy, Baba Sahib says, where is the law of this land when you fought for? Even after 6 decades of freedom, we are tangles of social discrimination and against of women and neighbors. The constitution that you have agitated is not learned. We see unconstitutional words and practices in the governance. Thank you.
Dear friends, my name is Evan Sneha from 8B. दलितांची तलवार होऊन गेली, दलितांची तलवार होऊन गेली, अन्यायविरोधी प्रहार होऊन गेले. होते ते एक गरीबच, पण या जगाचा कोहिनूर होऊन गेले. वर्गाच्या बाहेर बसून सुद्धा भारताचा संविधान होऊन गेले.
My dear friends, my name is Siddhi Chavan. I am from standard 8B. Today I am going to deliver a poem on Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. शिल्पकार ते घटनेचे, उद्धारक ते अपेक्षितेचे, विरोधक ते वर्णभेदेचे, भारतरत्न ते देशाचे, दूत ते शांतीचे, प्रसारक ते धम्मांचे, भारतरत्न ते देशाचे, सागर ते ज्ञानाचे, पंडित ते कायद्याचे, अभिमान ते भारतीयांचे, भारतरत्न ते देशाचे. धन्यवाद.
Myself Varsha Singh, I am from 9th standard. I am gonna say slogan. We must stand and fight as best as we can for our rights. So carry on your education and organize your forces. The power and prestige will come through your struggle. One more famous line given by the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is, life should be greater than a law. Thank you.
To the respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. This is Parikshit Gupta in front of you. Today we are here to celebrate the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Jayanti. The great person is to salute. So for that reason I am going to speak some slogans. If I see the constitution being misused, I will be the first to burn it. My second slogan is to Babasaheb Ambedkar is be educated, be organized and be agitated. Thank you.
I am Mukul Satish Gaikwad from Standard 9. Today I am going to speak some slogans on B.R. Ambedkar. I like the region who teaches liabilities, qualities and fraternity. Sincerity is the base sum of all qualities. Thank you.
We celebrate Ambedkar Jayanti on 14th April every year in India. Actually, this day is the birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was a great social reformer, politician and philosopher. He suffered a lot due to begins and untouchable. He fought against it throughout his life. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the first Law Minister of India independence. He was one of the important persons behind the writing of Indian Constitution. He is called by Indian Constitution Father. Thank you.
Babasaheb Ambedkar is known as Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, was a social reformer and inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement in India. He is the father of Indian Constitution and the brain behind the drafting of the Indian Constitution. He was the first law minister of the country in the year 1947. He reconquered Hinduism and became Buddhist in near 1956. The most memorable day of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is Navarana Buddhism located on movement of Maharashtra state of India, where B.R. Ambedkar embraced the Buddhism with approximately 60,000 of the followers, mainly scheduled caste people. On Ashoka Vijayadashmi on 14 October 1956, Ambedkar received Buddhism in India. Thank you.
Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am going to present a poem on Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. बाबा भीमराव बड़े कृपालु थे, वे दिल के बड़े दयालु थे, वो ज्ञानी थे, विद्वान थे, वो देवता स्वरूप वरदानी थे, वो नेक दिल इंसान बड़े महान थे, वो दिल में रखते बड़े बड़े अरमान थे, देश के जन जन में बसते उनके प्राण थे। बाल्यावस्था से ही बाबा ने अपने जीवन में किए बड़े बड़े संघर्ष थे। बाबा भीमराव जी ने सबके मानवता का पाठ पढ़ाया, सबको दिलों में ऊंच नीच के भेदभाव मिटाए, सबको सम्मान से जीना सिखाया, पीछे पीछे। नजर न आया क्या करना है, थोड़े समय में खूब पढ़ लिख गए। पढ़ाई पूरी करने विलायत भी गए, वापस आकर दिखी उन्हें वही दिशा। देश तो आजादी मांगे पर सब आपस में खफा। हर एक मार्ग देख लिया उन्होंने, बात अहिंसा की करते थे, गौतम बुद्ध के आदर्शों पर चलते थे। नामुमकिन पद को मुमकिन कर डाला, समाज मदद थे जो उनका समाज बना डाला। अब न केवल संविधान को बनाया पर समानता के पाठ को पढ़ाया। जब भी जरूरत पड़ी भारत को तब इंसान को इंसान बनाया। आप सबको डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर जयंती की बहुत शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू।
नशिबात प्रकाशाचा दान दिल्यामुळे त्यांचे उपकार कसे मानावे, त्यांचे उपकार कसे मानावे, डॉक्टर आंबेडकरांनी.
Ambedkar is the father of Constitution, Indian Constitution. His full name is Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He is the first law minister in India, Indians independent. He contributed towards the freedom of human rights. Dr. Bhimrao is honored by the most prestigious award, Bharat Ratna. Thank